Some cars follow the future. Lightweight carbon fiber engineering.
It's already moving.
The Ravion RS creates it. The 2026 Ravion RS. Built for drivers. Engineered for tomorrow. Active aerodynamics. Intelligent all-wheel drive.
Drive a machine with a heartbeat, a dream brought alive. Feel the power underneath. Hear the silence before the storm. Every road becomes a canvas. Every mile becomes reborn. Ravion RS. Take the world and redefine it. Ravion RS. The future's here. Don't carbon soul, built to run, chasing shadows, racing the sun. Every turn, every road, a new story to be told. Ravion RS, engineered for tomorrow. From the city lights to the mountain skies, where the road disappears and the legend arrives. Precision in motion, freedom in control, technology and passion united as one soul. Not just a vehicle, not just a machine. It's the connection between a driver and a dream. Ravion RS, feel the future come alive. Tomorrow, beyond the road, a legacy begins to unfold. Ravion RS, engineered for tomorrow. The future isn't waiting, built for drivers. Engineered